Okay. So, I've committed myself to the estimate. At the point would be 7.2.5. Now, what's wrong with what I wrote there? It's not an ordered pair. It's not an ordered pair until I put parentheses around it. Now, I circled it, and somehow in my feeble brain that counted for parentheses. Well, it doesn't. Okay, so I left the parentheses off. Make sure you have the parentheses if you make an estimate of a point, right? Coordinates of a point. Because it's an ordered pair with parentheses around it. So I put the parentheses around it here. Somehow I neglected it there. Okay, so we get this equation. And if my estimate is close, then this right-hand side should come out close to 2.5. Okay? And if it doesn't, my estimate wasn't so hot. You know, if we're really lucky, maybe it'll come out the same, but it's kind of hard to get a 0.5 out of fifths. So I don't think it's going. Well, if I work it out, the easiest way to work it out is multiply both sides by 5. If you see a denominator there, you don't want to work in fractions, if you can help it. So we're not going to work in fractions. We're going to multiply by 5, which gives me 12.5 over here equals negative 21 plus 30, sorry. I didn't multiply by 5 there. I shouldn't be skipping steps. Okay? So, negative 21 and 30 is 9. Well, 9 is about 3/4 of 12. Well, 9 is 3/4 of 12. So it's at least 70% of 12.5. So that isn't too bad. But I bet some of you did better. Okay? So one measure of how well you did is, you know, what percent is one side of the other. Not a bad way to look at it, although there are even better ways. Okay? So we can make the statement okay, x, y is on the line y equals mx plus b if and only substituting the coordinates of x and y yields an identity. They're close. If you get close to an identity, identities, both sides are the same, right? There's not much hope of accurately estimating that visually, okay? But you get close, and I think most of you did. Okay, now I just looked at the clock and realized that we're about 6 minutes over time. I apologize for that. But we're having so much fun, I just lost track of the time. Y'all are doing well? Okay, did a good job today. So keep it up.